Weitergehen.
Weitergehen, yeah.
Weitergeht. In German.
Yeah. No, sorry, I skipped the German lessons.
So we're gonna do some pistachio swirl snails, I guess is the word. That's pistachio romangs made with the marzipan, butter, and some pistachio
Paste. Okay.
Then we're just gonna put it in.
Yeah.
In a good layer. Then you're just gonna cut it in. So this one is, of course, from the side. You can just press that bit down. Then you can take this one, put it behind.
Okay, so it stays there.
Yeah, but I would prefer, take these sides. Then
Do the same here.
Yeah.
Just press it.
These pistachio snails.
Improving.
Yes, and we discovered a new way of proving it in the Invoq, and it actually turned quite good out, quite nice.
Because you need like lower than 35, 30 degrees.
Yeah, like
otherwise the butter melts.
The butter melts, and we want some humidity as well to keep it moist while they proof. So 28 degrees is 28 to 30 degrees is preferably.
Perfect.
So this one have been proofing for like an hour, and that's actually quite fast. Also, the dough before we made them was
a little bit warm.
Yeah. So that's why it got a bit faster.
Fast, yeah.
So we just need to give it a slightly push down. You can do it as well.
Okay, so you just squash it.
Just a bit.
And then you brush it?
Then we brush it, yeah.
We just have these multi-trays from these opinion multi-tray. And actually we use them for omelets, eggs. Sometimes we do tartletans. But we just thought that would be fun because it sort of looked like the same size as these.
Yeah, it actually turned out very good.
So we haven't baked in these before, but we're gonna see what happens.
We're just gonna bake them at the same program as the croissants.
Okay. Yeah. So basically, much of these pastry dough things you can do in just a croissant recipe on the oven.
When you do this, maybe they need a bit more or a bit less. So that's depends on the size.
Yeah. So we're just gonna watch it.
This one costs like 120 crowns in the bakery. Just pistachio is so expensive, so...
That's true.
Yeah, but no. It's I think it's a 40, 45.
45 kroner, so that's like €6 or something like that. Okay, good. So the bottom oven is preheated on the croissant recipe.
It's gonna be good.
Who doesn't like a pistachio pastry?